I am really getting to know that city collection by Belle Tress, and especially the blondes in that collection. Now, I have a plan to review all of the colors coming out in that collection. Some are still on back order, and as I get them, I'll present them. But the blondes are so much alike, yet they do have a little bit of nuance to them and are different in different ways. This is good because we can mix it up with a little bit of variety in our blondes. At the same time, we can use them as sister colors and it wouldn't be too conspicuous. Today, I just want to do a quick side-by-side view of the beige linen blonde R versus the cake batter R.